How to share Snapchat link in Instagram bio. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Now go to Snapchat. So after you open Snapchat like this, now go to your profile. Tap on this share button. In this section now, tap on this copy link. After you copy the link like this, now close Snapchat, go to Instagram. After you open Instagram, now go to this, as you can see now, your profile. After you open your profile, now tap on this plus at the top, this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, go to story. In this section, now go and select the story that you want to add. So just go ahead and select a picture or a video. For this video, I will just go ahead and select a picture. I will use this picture. After you select the picture, if you want to add your link in the Instagram story, just tap on this one. After you tap on this section, now tap on this search and search for link. After you search link like this, now here is the link, tap on it. So in this section now, go ahead and paste in your link. So as you can see now, here is now my link. Now I paste in my link. All you have to do now, tap on this done button. After you tap on this done button, now you can be able now to view your Snapchat link in your Instagram story. From there, you can go ahead now and post in your Instagram story. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.